Yeah, so I know you talk a lot about plant-based medicine. Is that predominantly where your focus is?
Yeah, so not necessarily plant-based medicine in terms of what some people may think of like herbs and supplements, but more so incorporating plant-based actual nutrition, and using food as medicine. So using our nutrition and aligning that to prevent and reverse chronic health conditions and many of those common conditions that probably everyone, either ourselves or our family members, have. So high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, kidney problems, skin conditions, mental health conditions. There are just so many things that plant based nutrition can be helpful for. And so I seek to help people align that within their health.
When did you go plant-based? Is this a lifelong thing that or did it get introduced to you?
Definitely not. Yeah, yeah. So I'm a girl from the South. So I grew up eating grandma's mac and cheese, extra cheesy, extra delicious. So no, it's definitely not a lifelong thing. But for me, I went plant-based after just suffering several years from some gastrointestinal health conditions myself, where I would just be doubled over in pain every time that I ate. I went and sought, it got to a point where it was just so debilitating. To I went to see my own doctor and had a full workup. They did all the tests, all the imaging, all the things. Thankfully, nothing significant was wrong. But then when I saw my doctor, he mentioned one by me being African American. He said, lactose intolerance is highly predominant within African Americans, people of color. And so it could just be that you're just significantly lactose intolerant, which was something, that I found. Like I said, I love mac and cheese. So it was like, what? But he had me try an elimination diet where we eliminated dairy from my diet, even just for a few weeks. And it made just a tremendous improvement in the way that I felt. I could, go about my day and not have to worry about when, the stomach pain would kick in, or if I would, need to be close to a bathroom or those kind of things. And I just, even felt more energized and felt just so much overall better with just cutting that dairy out of my diet. And so that propelled me to even go more so for to like reading and studying and like learning just what is food doing to us as a people, and how are there other things that I hadn't known. And so I just start deep diving and reading and learning more. This was prior to me even going to medical school. So then once I got into medical school and seeing how health conditions and things play a part into this. And so that's just really what propelled me down that road, until I started becoming just full on plant based, and really just noticing how much better I felt and did with my own health. And so I just couldn't stop talking about it to help my patients and help other individuals see results in their health conditions.
Beautiful.